Hello! In this video, you'll learn how to use Aid4Mail to extract attachments and embedded data from emails. Whether you're collecting evidence for an investigation, preparing data for e-discovery, or exporting documents from large email collections, Aid4Mail makes it easy to extract the files you need. Once you have a project opened, either by creating a new one or opening an existing one, you'll see this screen. Here we have session 001 as the session name. I'm just going to update that to give it a unique name so that if I ever need to go back and look at the logs, the session name is unique and I will be able to simply and easily find it. Next, for my source, in this demonstration, I'll use PST file. And I already have my PST file here selected. It's called demo.pst from my desktop. And everything there it looks good, so I can then just close source. And now we have our target. And for our target format, we're going to go down to archival and database formats. And you can select any of the four here, so plain text, CSV, TSV, or JSON. All four of these formats provide you with the option to extract attachments and embedded data. I like to use CSV, so I'm going to click on CSV. I then have my location of where my CSV file will be saved. And then under my column configuration, I already have it selected. It's called Basic Metadata with Extracted Attachments. And if you click on this, you have some different options here that you can select from. So I use the basic metadata. There's one that's called all metadata with extracted attachments. We'll click on the basic one. If you do want to edit that, you can click on this edit button over here, and that'll pull up the column configuration editor. And in here you have two different columns. So you have the available fields and then the output fields. So the output fields are the ones that will be added into the CSV with all the data for each email. So we have the date, the address sender, we have the subject, message ID, MIH plus, EDRM value, we have the source file name, body contents, attachment names, attachment counts, and then the email.attachments, which tells Aid4Mail to extract the attachments and embedded data. And on the left side, you have all the available options that you can add over if you want to. So for example, if I wanted to go up here and say I want the address, I want the IP address, add it up here. Let's say I want it towards the top. You can click on it, move it down a couple. Maybe have it after the message ID. And there you go. So we can save that. And so now we're basically set. So if we now click on run, Aid4Mail will then start the process of processing that PST file. As you can see, it's going quite quickly. And I will just now pull up the location. So here's the location of where that CSV file was saved. And then here you have the attachments. So here's all the attachments from the email saved in the attachment folder. And then all the embedded content is saved in the embedded folder. So there you go. You now know how to extract attachments and embedded data from emails using Aid4Mail. Thanks. Bye.